This way, dude. He's bright. This is a fact. 613.
All the people chanting down there.
He's broadcasting for like other countries and shit. I know it's my sweat out here. It's so aggressive over there.
Standing in Kentucky because you all don't know what justice looks like. It's a damn shame. Damn shame.
It's a Commonwealth state, baby. Commonwealth state.
So I can go wherever the fuck I want and touch this good shit. You're my U.S. citizen.
The media are gonna make y'all look bad, they're gonna make us look bad so that they can control us, bro. They're taking fucking control of us.
Say her name. Breonna Taylor. Say her name. Breonna Taylor. Say her name. Breonna Taylor. Breonna Taylor. Breonna Taylor. Breonna Taylor.
Oh, yeah. Who's beating them?
Everybody needs to be in the streets because they're doing this right now to scare people from coming back outside tonight. Everybody needs to be in the streets because we didn't hear any other charges for those 3 other officers. We didn't hear any other firings of any other officers.
Well, I know you be talking like that in your camera because you know you got a lot of followers.
You on YouTube?
Spiritually black, don't forget it. No? You still about your own shit, bro.
I know, but I wasn't in home.
You right there?
Black lives matter.
Oh, so y'all spent the night together with each other?
No. I went to the doctor that night. I went to his house. You didn't hear that part? Don't get me on there.
Girl.
And make sure you get the police officer's name too.
I'm ready to walk back this way. Come on, y'all. Just because we don't need to stay in one spot, ain't nothing going on down there. I don't give a fuck. It is a lot of people in one truck. I hope y'all got enough gas. Y'all are stupid.
They looking at us like they're really fucking serious. Look at them. I didn't think they were gonna still keep doing it. Down. They just feel serious. My wife, yeah. I've been to the fun day out.
So what y'all just gonna sit here all day?
Yeah, she will.
What y'all waiting for a red light?
Somebody who don't watch me because it's something that I can't change. I'll never be able to change this.
At the end of the day,
Not these
we on Bardstown Road.
That would be me.
I can put my mask down, y'all.
It's cold. That she was going to. So.
No. COVID-19 still exists.
Yes.
This is real to you too, ain't it, girl? You ain't never seen nothing like this, girl.
This is history for our babies at the end of the day. This is the shit that they're going to be reading.
One cop in each car.
A Billy bat? What's looking good?
I feel like somebody's gonna start throwing some shit.
Won't be me. I mean, everything I got on me right now.
It's just crazy that they all white. I mean, all white.
Y'all short as hell. What the hell?
Oh, except for this racist black.
Damn, y'all are short.
But we got a lot of men's trial.
If y'all wasn't on no fucked up shit, I'd run the police off range too, but I ain't trying to go down with this shit. I would do it if they are short.
This is what we're talking about. So, like, it's all of us protesters out here. As you can see, we are on the sidewalks. The question is, why are they in riot gear out here when we're not, and we're on the sidewalks?
Put me on there. Excuse me. You need to get some more money to get some better fucking police officers and better training, because these motherfuckers is short, out of shape, and every fucking thing. That's why they killing people, because they can't chase them. They can't run. What the fuck is going on?
That's why they have the National Guard here.
Do y'all be exercising and stuff? Can y'all teach me some stuff? Y'all be exercising? Because some of y'all look out of shape. I see it. That's why y'all be, that's what the fuck's going on. They need to do something about that. You need to talk. Y'all need to start speaking the fuck up.
He said,
I am. Dirty.
He said, I am.
Oh, hell no.
That's why I feel like they're just here just to scare, because there's no real reason why they're out here. We're not throwing anything. We're not doing anything.
Yep, and I'm talking. I'm back. And I got room.
Now, somebody throws something down there, that's something different. Oh, Lord. Was that a dip?
You know how when you say you're around the dog and you scared of the dog, and they be like, don't do that because they can sense it.
But that's how. But you know what? That's how you make them feel, because they don't know. That's why a lot of people do. That's how they feel. They the dog. I mean, they the green. You come and chase them. See what I'm talking about? What the fuck? Y'all need to be paying money.
That motherfucking back tires right pop. Can we get some guns and shit? We'll get up there with y'all. Just sit on down. Hell no.
You fit right in, buddy.
Look at that back tire. This is like the cartel chasing and shit.
We ain't got nothing to do.
So I guess they're going back to downtown. This is just the preview stuff. Tonight is the night. It's time to go back to the car. We are on Bardstown Road. And now this is when the protesters get violent, when they start to leave.
Who can I talk to about this? Who funds the police?
The President of the United States.
Well, I need to talk to him.
Who funds the police? We the people.
I can't talk to the president. I'm talking about in the city. Who do I need to talk to? Because, I mean, what the fuck is going on?
Talk to the people.
I like how they kept telling us that they were going to deploy tear gas and then they left.
I just don't understand how we're on the sidewalks being peaceful. Why are you out here?
Why?
Why are you out
The
here?
only reason that we're out here is
Now,
because
if we're
y'all are
breaking
out
some
here.
shit and doing that, that's different. Okay, where you at?
I'll break some shit.
But what?
I'll break some shit.
Can't wait till tonight.
Wait,
Give a fuck.
Pussy ass.
burn this place to the ground.
Burn this shit to the ground. LA's doing just fine. Still with burnt shit.
Swear I will.
Roll through it and all. They still doing fine.
Yeah, they're all calling themselves out.
I can't stand the motherfucking black cop.
I swear to God.
I can't stand him. Fall out.
You a sellout! You a sellout! You a
Fucking sellout! Fucking sellout! Fucking sellout! Sellout! I think we should go back to the car and go to a different location now.
He the biggest fucking sellout.
Oh, we need to continue walking this way. So come on.
And they don't know that. They so fucking scared of what the police is telling them. You tell our business, you do this, you're fired. And you're, you know what I'm saying? But if they come out here and they stand with us, it's probably a make their motherfucking. It could have helped a lot.
Worry about their
But
job
that's
at
what
the
I'm
end of
saying.
the
They
day.
wasn't worried about nobody else. It could have helped. Give me your shit. That's why I put a gun out.
That's why I put a gun out. Get that AI out tonight.
I'm motherfucking weak.
I'm trying to get it too. Who the fuck are y'all? Where y'all coming from? Like, the city is real deal scared as fuck. What y'all fuck up a police car? And I'm gonna be back.